MrBeast just revealed his brand new genius strategy that is breaking the YouTube algorithm in 2024, and he literally just used it to become the most subscribed YouTuber in the world in the last 30 days. Yet, no one really seemed to notice how he did it. And it's all because of this 3 simple step strategy that MrBeast started following that might actually shape the entire future of content creation online. And the third strategy is gonna be the most important because literally anyone can replicate it to go viral on YouTube with their channel. And I mean, I tried it for myself, so I know that it doesn't only work for MrBeast, because I got over 200 million views in the past few years with YouTube, so I know this is proven to work for anyone that will follow these 3 simple steps. And it all begins with the first strategy that is going to change YouTube forever, which is going to be the shift from beastification of YouTube to focus more on lower paced storytelling style videos, which are going to allow the creators to emotionally connect to their audience.
And now that we've gotten better at telling the contestant's story and letting them show emotion, those videos crush.
And if we have a look at these 3 videos from MrBeast, which got over 600 million views together, you can notice that he already started making this important shift.
I'm so excited.
I severely underestimated how hard this video would be. Just thinking about it has me like tearing up, but
You gave me the easiest choice I have made.
God will bless you.
You have a chance to give something, give that to that person.
And as you can notice, the videos became way more slower paced and emotional, and if MrBeast is doing it, he definitely knows that this is the right choice in 2024. Because no one was ever able to keep the viewers watching like MrBeast. And his explosive growth on YouTube was mainly because of fast-paced videos, but over time this non-stop excitement started to feel repetitive. And that is the reason that MrBeast is shifting to longer, more emotional and storytelling focused videos that are absolutely crushing it for him right now.
On the other end, it's like, I'm very, fast. It's like, let's slow it down. Let's build some characters.
Yeah.
That's what people say they want. And they worked. And everyone's like, those are the 2 reasons we love that video. And so.
And recently we have seen a lot more channels that are following this trend that is helping them to blow up their channels. For example, creators like Sam Sulek or The Wizard Liz got millions of subscribers with unedited, raw, long-form videos that are able to emotionally connect to the audience.
Further away, so I usually drink it halfway down the drive.
Leafy turned my life around in 2.5 years.
But even with this new strategy, none of this matters if no one clicks on your videos. And this brings us to the second part of the equation, which is MrBeast's new thumbnail strategy. Basic rules still apply. Thumbnails still need to be simple, spark curiosity, and be visible on small screens. But YouTube changed, and so has MrBeast's approach. And it all starts with what I call the pre-thumbnail. So, have you noticed that YouTube videos now started to autoplay on your home screen in the YouTube app, sometimes even bypassing the thumbnail? This means the majority of the viewers on the home screen sometimes doesn't even see the thumbnails of your videos. So, the opening 5 seconds of your video acts as a pre-thumbnail that needs to convince people to click on the video. And let's see how MrBeast is actually implementing this in his videos.
For so many people I've watched hundreds of our videos, when I upload, I am first on your homepage. So like, you just literally don't even see the thumbnail because it autoplays so quickly. So like, the thumbnail is irrelevant. I have to like visually convince you to click on the video.
You can notice that in this video called the 7 Days on an Island, he starts the video in this way. In the first 5 seconds, MrBeast shows exactly what the video is going to be about and make it easy to understand, so you can get intrigued right away, even if you didn't see the thumbnail, and even if the video is on mute. By showing him, the bot, the island from the zoom out picture, he intrigues you and shows you the big picture right away, so the viewers instantly get the concept, which increases the likelihood of them clicking. Additionally, YouTube just officially announced the new feature called A/B testing, which is going to allow creators to test multiple thumbnails for one video, so the algorithm can pick the one that performs the best. And after testing this feature, MrBeast revealed on Twitter that thumbnails with his mouth closed led to higher view durations. Now, the algorithm doesn't care if your mouth is wide open or closed, it just shows that people are now shifting to more authentic and less crazy style of content, and that's why these thumbnails perform better. So this is another proof that even the thumbnails are reflecting the shift in the audience to prefer less crazy or shocking type of content and the shift to more lower paced, longer and storytelling style videos. And comparing MrBeast's new thumbnails to his older ones makes it very clear that now they got way more natural and less saturated. But there's actually another secret that MrBeast started using this year that absolutely blew up his channel. And for some reason, no one really talks about this one. And it all begins with the technique I call the shorts boosting. You see, YouTube is clearly prioritizing shorts right now. They are literally everywhere. When you open your homepage, when you search something on YouTube, in the suggested tab, etc.
If you master short form really high level enough, you can be one of the best at both. Because being the best at short form means you can have popping reels and popping shorts on YouTube. So to me, it's pretty fascinating because if you play your cards right, you can grow on every single platform, which is wild.
But here's the catch. A lot of people say that if you just randomly upload shorts, you might get views, but it won't lead to the growth of your long-form content and won't make you any real money. And that is usually correct. But note if you are MrBeast and if you are using this new genius strategy with the new feature of YouTube called related videos. You have probably noticed this, but this new feature called related video lets creators link a short to any video on their channel. And the most creators that upload both shorts and long-form videos started to send people from their shorts to the most relevant long-form video. So let's say if you made a video about planes in your shorts, you would link your long-form video about planes there. But MrBeast proved that he's YouTube genius once again, and he destroyed this whole strategy when he started doing this instead. Instead of linking each short to a relevant long-form video, he started linking every single short to his latest video as soon as it's released. And this is called the short boosting. The results? A bunch of audience from shorts goes and boosts the new video that he just uploaded. And if people like the content, this signals to the algorithm that the new viewers are enjoying this content, which leads YouTube to promoting MrBeast videos to even wider and wider audiences. But getting these extra clicks and the views from YouTube Shorts is just the first step. YouTube's main goal is to make people click and watch your videos to the end. And that's why we covered the storytelling and emotional connection parts in this video, so you can start implementing so your videos can start performing better too. Because only when you have all of these pieces of the puzzle together, that's when you can absolutely crush it on YouTube. But because you have watched this video to this point, I'm going to give you a bonus extra tip that if you focus on, you can absolutely blow up your channel in the current 2024 algorithm faster than any other channels you know. And that is called the unfair advantage. You see, it is extremely important to take inspiration from other creators that are already winning and implement some of their strategies for your own growth. But you cannot be like everyone else. And I don't see anyone to talk about this, which honestly pisses me off. And that is the fact that there are literally millions of videos being uploaded on YouTube every single day, and for you to win, you need to stand out at least a little bit. And that is why it's absolutely important to find and use your unfair advantage to stand out from the crowd. For MrBeast, for example, the unfair advantage is that he is all in. He literally spends all his waking hours, all his money and all his resources devoted and committed to this goal of growing his channel. So if you want to actually become the best too, you need to have some unfair advantage too. And here's when MrBeast talked about this in the Colin and Summer podcast.
No one's ever gonna do what I do better than me. Like it's just not. It's not even humanly possible. Like I reinvest every penny I make. Yeah. I work every hour I'm awake. I devote every atom in my brain to solving this. I hire the best people on the planet. I've been doing this for 14 years. And I think in decades, not years. So I'm going to be doing this for another 20, 30 years, not 2 or 3. So no, the next me isn't going to be me because no one's going to do what I do better than me. It's not possible.
So, what could be your unfair advantage? Might it be that you are studying storytelling every single day and you become the best person that is able to emotionally connect to the audience? Is it the fact that you are professional in your sphere and you can make the most valuable videos on YouTube? Is it that you are also crazy and committed like MrBeast and you are going to give your all to grow your channel? Or is it the fact that you love YouTube and you love making videos, so you are going to do it for a very long time and by therefore you will beat the most of your competition? I don't know what it is, but no one can find your unfair advantage for you. You need to do it for yourself, but I promise that if you actually start trying to identify it, you will grow 10 times faster. And if you don't, you will be just like everyone else, and it will be very hard to separate yourself from others. So let me know what do you think can be your unfair advantage down below. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to learn how I blew up a secret YouTube channel to prove that going viral on YouTube is not luck, you can click the video right here, and I will see you there.